This new feature 2023 tutorial will teach you how to place trees automatically. The objectives of the video is to first create an area of trees, then create a line of trees. So for the first objective, go to More Options, then click Paths. Then click Foliage and Area, then click Create Path. Left mouse click for every node. Then press Escape when you're done. To add trees, click the green pin on the path, then select the trees here in Path Settings. After selecting the trees, you can now click Populate. Then to create a line of trees, go to Paths again, then click Foliage on Line. Then click Create Path, then left mouse click, press Escape when you're done. Then to add trees, click the green pin on the path, then select the trees in Path Settings, for example the Japanese maple tree, then click Populate. Then to edit the trees, click the green pin, then here in Path Settings, let's maintain the spacing and height to 7 meters. Maintain the height randomness so that it's all the same height. Increase the direction, as well as the direction randomness. Then I won't increase the position and offset randomness, so the trees are in one line. So those methods are the fast way, but you can still add trees manually. So create a path again in More Options. Then go to Landscape Placement. And here we have a library of trees. Then let's add this tree. Click on the thumbnail. Put it on the path, then click again. Now let's edit the trees. Let's change the height to 7 meters. Click Populate. And spacing to 8 meters. Then click Repopulate. So here is the result. Thank you for watching the video.